What happens when you let automated trading do all the work? 5 strategies, 1 micro gold contract, 75 months of every market condition imaginable. The result? Over $9,200 in profit. No screen watching, no emotional decisions, just algorithms doing what they do best. This is the MGC bundle, and let me break it all down. Welcome to Turnkey Futures Strategies. I'm Crystal, and today we're breaking down the MGC bundle. That's Micro Gold Futures. This bundle includes 5 automated strategies that cover every angle of the gold market. You've got an opening range breakout, fade, long, and a short, a gap fade, and a reversal. Each one is designed to capture a different type of price action, so they work together as a team. When one strategy sits out, another one steps up. Now, before we dive into the numbers, I want to make something very clear. Everything you're about to see is based on just one micro contract. 1. That's the smallest position size you can trade in gold futures. Why does that matter? Because these results scale linearly. If you ran 10 contracts instead of 1, you multiply every single number by 10. If you ran 25 contracts, multiply by 25. That would make the bundle worth more than $230,000, with more room to grow as your account grew. So keep that in mind as we go through the data. Now let me show you what happens when all 5 strategies work together. Watch this equity curve build in real time with just the raw data directly from NinjaTrader. First, ORB fade drops in, 357 trades, $1,786 in profit. Now watch what happens when we add ORB long, 49 trades but $2,728. See that curve jump? Now ORB short layers in, 176 trades, $1,938. The line keeps climbing. Gap fade, 82 trades, $1,298. And finally, RC reversal, 39 trades, $1,536, all 5 strategies combined, 703 total trades, 53.9% win rate, a 1.42 profit factor. The maximum loss before profit was just $306. The average winner $82 versus an average loser of $67. Winners bigger than losers, winning more than losing, and a total profit of $9,286 on 1 micro contract. Over 75 months, that's 6.5 years, that equity curve just kept climbing. Now here's what really matters. This wasn't tested in some cherry-picked bull market. This data spans from January 2020 through March 2026. That means these strategies traded through the COVID crash, the post-COVID recovery rally, the inflation surge of 2021 and 2022, the Fed interest rate hikes, the SVB banking crisis, the debt ceiling standoff, the Russia-Ukraine war, the tech sector sell-off, recession fears, the AI boom, and now the 2025 and 2026 tariff wars and trade war volatility. Every single type of market you can imagine, and the equity curve kept climbing. Let me break down each strategy so you can see how they contribute. First up, ORB fade. This is the workhorse of the bundle. 357 trades, 208 winners, 58% win rate, $1,786 in profit on 1 micro contract. Next, ORB long. 49 trades, 23 winners, 26 losers. Now you might think a strategy with more losers than winners can't be profitable. Wrong. ORB long pulled in $2,728 with the average winner at $198 and the average loser at $70. A profit factor of 2.48. And look at that. The largest loser was only $84 while the largest winner was $452. That's the power of a good risk to reward ratio. ORB short. 176 trades, $1,938 in profit, 62 winners. Average winning trade, $144, the average loser, only $61, while the largest winner is $596 and the largest loser, just $80. The wins are bigger than the losses and the math works out. Gap fade. 82 trades, 62 winners, only 20 losers. That's a 75.6% win rate with a 1.81 profit factor. $1,298 in profit. This one is a sniper. It doesn't trade often, but when it does, it's usually right. And finally, RC reversal. 39 trades, 25 winners, 14 losers. $1,536 in profit. Another high accuracy strategy that waits for the right setup. Now here's something I want you to pay attention to. In 2026, with all the tariff chaos and market uncertainty, the entire MGC bundle took just 1 trade. 1. And it made $812 on that single trade. 0 losses. That tells you these strategies aren't just blindly firing off trades. They have built-in filters that recognize when market conditions aren't favorable. And when the setup isn't there, they sit on the sidelines and protect your capital. That kind of discipline is worth more than any single trade. So let's put it all together. One micro contract, $9,286, 5 strategies working as a team, exposed to every major market event and still profitable. Now imagine running 10 contracts. That's $92,860. 25 contracts, over $230,000. The numbers are real. The data is right here. If you want to see the full backtest data, pricing, and how to get the MGC bundle running on your NinjaTrader 8 platform, head over to our website. The link is in the description below. Make sure you check out our other bundle videos too. We've got the MES bundle for Micro E, Mini S and P, SIL for Silver, and 3 more instruments coming soon, plus the full suite all together. Each one runs the same proven strategy framework adapted for that specific market. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next bundle breakdown. Drop a comment below and let me know which instrument bundle you want to see next. I read every single one. This is Crystal with Turnkey Futures Strategies. 1 micro contract, 5 strategies. Exposed, tested, and profitable. I'll see you in the next one.